Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this multifunction jump starter. So let me go ahead and break this out of the box and show you what it is. So this was gifted to me to do this unboxing and review, so let's go ahead and get at this. The case is impressive. I like the case. Alright, so this is a car jump starter. So if you go to start your car and the battery's dead or it doesn't have enough juice to start the car, this is something that you could carry in your car as an emergency measure to start your car up. Okay, so it comes with this battery, which is essentially just basically an external battery, lithium ion, and you have this thing right here that you plug into it, and this allows you to connect to your positive and your negative and try to jump your car off. Let's see what else they sent us. There's a charging cord here to charge it with. That's about it. That's all there is. Let's see here. There's usually a button on these things, and see where we're at. It says that the battery is almost fully charged here. You've got 4 bars. It has 2 USB out ports that you can use to charge your cell phone with. So if your cell phone is dying or other USB powered devices need power, it has some power. It's very light, so I don't know how big the battery is on it. Right here is your port that you use to plug this right in. And you can see that it's got kind of a keying on it, so it can't go in the wrong way. And you plug that in there like that, all the way in. And you see that is blinking right there. And then when you connect it to your battery, you'll be able to start it up. So I'll take this out and test this out and see if it can start something. And show you that. So let me go ahead and look what else is on here. Looks like it has a flashlight. So usually the flashlight is operated by pressing and holding the power button for a while. And there we go. There's the flashlight there. And let's see. It's got a flasher mode to it. This is an SOS mode. And that's it. So you turn it on by pressing that. And then you got full flashlights. You know, it's okay. It's bright enough. And then flasher in case your car stopped in the middle of the road and you need to flash people, make sure they don't hit you. And this is SOS in case you want to signal a plane and you're lost in the woods. Which kind of question is why would you have this if you were lost in the woods? But it is a function that it has that looks to be pretty much all it is. So the main thing is will it jump your car if you're stranded? That's what it's for, aside from all the other things here. So I'm going to go ahead and put a full charge on it just to begin with, and then we'll take it out and we'll test it and see if it'll start up a car. The only way to actually test these things is to actually disconnect the battery from the car, because if you don't have a car that just happens to have a dead battery on it, the only way you can test it is by disconnecting the battery. So we'll go ahead and give that a try and see if it'll start a car with no battery on it, and that will tell us whether or not it has a power to turn over a car engine. So I'll test that out and then I'll come back and we'll see if it worked. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use this thing right here. I had to disconnect the positive lead to my battery because this is a full battery, and so now the car will not start because the battery is totally disconnected. So what we're going to do is use this to start the car. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and plug this thing in right here. Make sure you get it all the way in. Alright, and then it starts flashing like that, red and green. We'll connect the negative first and then the positive. When it goes to green, it's ready to start. You have 30 seconds to try to start the car. So we see the car started just fine, right off the battery right there. After it starts, it goes to red. You need to leave it for at least a minute to cool off and reset. Go ahead and unplug it. Do not try to start your car multiple times in a row. Let it cool off and then try again if you don't get it started on the first time. So let's go ahead and wait a little bit, and then we'll come back and we'll try it again. Alright, so it's been about a minute. Let's go ahead and put it back in here and we'll give this another try. We see it's flashing like that. we'll connect it to the negative and then to the positive. It will go to green like that, and let's give it a second try. Once it starts, it only releases power for a little time. Once the engine starts, it goes this mode right here, and then it shuts off. So we'll unplug it, and it'll start a car multiple times. As you saw, it started just fine. This engine, little Nissan Frontier here, and worked just fine. So that is how you use it. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later. Hey, the Gadget Man here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new feature that YouTube has announced called Super Thanks. And this is the viewer ability to basically give the creators a tip. You know, we don't make a whole lot of money from our videos, especially me. I do a lot of work on my videos to try to make them good for you. And, you know, I do them because I want to help people out. But, you know, it's good to be appreciated. So if you've got a couple extra bucks, I'd appreciate it if you throw them my way. If you don't, please enjoy the video. They're out there. I put them out there for free so that you can. But, you know, I would appreciate it if you could. Thanks a whole lot, and have a great day.